Hi Statesmen, welcome to the library. We have great books to share with you. I promise they are all treats, no tricks with this batch of books. Let's get started. We have the newest Caldecott award-winning book called Chooch Helps, or Chooch Helped. First graders, Miss Laterna was telling you that it was on our way. It is here. It's a great story about an older sibling, a younger brother, part of the Cherokee Nation, and this little brother makes her life so difficult. If any of you have a younger sibling, you will relate to this book. It's a great one. Next, we have a book called The Magical Yet. Teachers, this is a great story to share about growth mindset. Using this word yet, I might not be able to do it yet. It's a great one to share with your class. We've got another great teacher read aloud. This is called Echo. It's about a little boy who thinks he is the best at everything. When he looks in a puddle, he sees his reflection as the most amazing kid in the world, until a little girl moves next door and maybe changes his opinion a little bit. Again, teachers, this is a great interactive book called Recess. Super fun to read. You're going to read it out loud with your class. It requires a lot of class participation and interaction. So when you've got a rainy day, this will be super fun to bring out. Again, teachers, we have got some great books, second, third grades. We've got The Rise and Fall of Ancient China, The Rise and Fall of Ancient Greece. These books, they're fantastic. They've got great nonfiction text features to support what you were teaching in the classroom. The font is a font that makes it easier for students with dyslexia to read. There's not a lot of text on the page. The illustrations and photographs are great. So we're happy to add these to our collection. Along with that, we have a new one about the Great Wall of China, the Colosseum, and the Egyptian pyramids. Okay, teachers, you've had your fun. Now it's time for the students to find out what we have for them to check out in the library. Those other books, students, you can check those out too. Okay, we have got a new graphic novel series called The Great Pup-tective. It looks adorable. We have books 1 and 2. We've got the newest survival scout book called Lost at Sea. Fantastic series. We have the other 2, the first 2, and now we've got the third. If any of you are fans of the High-Low series, we've got books 10 and 11 that just came in. If you haven't read the High-Low series, I highly recommend it. We have got the first book in the Whatever After graphic novel series. These were chapter books. Now we're seeing them come out as graphic novels. This is called Fairest of All. This new series is called Whiz Kit, and I was just telling Miss Laterno that I think it's going to be hilarious. This cat is like a wizard's apprentice, so like a student. And the cat is super lazy and doesn't want to do anything. It gets called out on a mission to return library books. So funny. The creatures in the stories look hilarious. So we have books 1 and 2 of WizKit. Not a graphic novel, but it's a new Pokemon book that I know will have people excited about. Next, we've got the newest Babysitter's Little Sister called Karen's Ghost. Put this on hold. You're going to have to. We've got the new Kayla Miller book called Stuck. So I know this one is going to get checked out really quickly. We've got the newest pizza and taco book. We have the newest Raina Telgemeier book called The Cartoonist Club. And finally, this one I'm excited to share with you about. This is a graphic novel memoir. It is about this boy who is in high school and actually has the chance to meet the Chicago Bulls team with Michael Jordan back in the 90s, along with Shaquille O'Neal and all these things that happened to him that get him like on the court with these famous players. It's a true story, even though it is written as a graphic novel. It looks fantastic. So I'm excited for these. I've got so much work to do. I gotta go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you back in the library next time.